Folks, how you going? Welcome to my quick tutorial on the new copyright feature on YouTube, which I discovered the other day. So I thought I'd give you guys a quick rundown and let you know how you can fix yourself being a victim of copywriters. So what you do need to do is to make sure you're using YouTube with Chrome. If you're not using Chrome, then this won't work, as it only works on Chrome. Not too sure about Microsoft Edge, I don't use that, but anyway, we'll jump straight into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to go to your channel homepage. But what you need to do is to log into the new Studio Beta. Most people are probably using this already. I started using it a little while ago. You go down to a copyright feature here on the left. So when you click copyright, if you get a picture saying everything's hunky-dory, then everything's, hunky-dory. However, if you get a list of videos which appear to be yours, but you look at the channel and they're certainly not yours. So I've actually just got another one this morning. I had two from yesterday, and now I've got another two. Okay, so we're going to get rid of these because someone's using our videos. So if you actually click on the play video, you can actually have a look at the video and see if it's yours. So the title's exactly the same. This is my title. That's my start. I know it's pretty lame. We go into the movie and just turn the volume down a bit, and yeah, that's definitely my washing machine door that I'm repairing there. So you can go through the entire video and have a good look at it and realise, wow, okay, so someone has actually taken my entire video. So that one's mine, 100%. So they have a match here. If it says 100, there's a fair bet the entire video is yours. But if it says 80 or 60 or 30, etc., then part of your video may be in there. So you just need to have a look through, and it gives you some options afterwards to get rid of it as to what you actually want to do with that video. So over here you can archive it, or you can request the video to be removed, which is what we can do shortly. So I'll just have a look at these other ones here. Play. So this is a channel Ava, 16 subscribers too. Okay, so they're basically completely running your video. So you can actually go to their channel. We'll click on there. This is their channel here. So if we look down, it's Lena TV. Sorry, Lena, but this isn't your movie. This is mine. I'm sorry. Just have a look what videos this person has. He's got 8 subscribers. Yeah, 5.42 thousand views. Some stats there. Right. And it looks like she's got a few washing machine bits and pieces. And a playlist containing pictures of stuff. Don't know. So anyway, subscribers there. So this person's clearly not who he or she says he or she is, as far as I'm concerned, and they're using my video. So these are her uploads here, or his uploads. Here they are here. They all seem to be washing machine bits and pieces. However, one of them's mine, which is this one here. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to get rid of that one. So what you need to do is go over here to request it to be removed. So you click on over here to the right, request video removal, and you'll be presented with a screen here. So cue the editing, and I'm just going to punch this out. So I'm going for the standard request removal now because I want it to be removed straight away, and I'm going to tick all of these because I'm saying they're all completely mine. Put a signature down the bottom. So once you hit submit, the video disappears and you can have a look at your request in the removal requests here, and you can see other ones I've done recently, a couple here which have been resolved, and straight away the techno giant realizes, yeah, that is actually mine, and it's resolved already. It took a millisecond. So if we go to the video site again, okay, so this is her channel again. Let's see if I can find my movie, which is this one here. I'll go to play. Okay, so it's still here at the moment. Video already removed. Okay, well, it's still there at the moment. I did do this yesterday, and yeah, they do remove the video pretty much straight away, so we'll come back to that. So yeah, I'm going to go over to these other matches now, and 16 subscribers to 5. Most of them have under 100 subscribers. Obviously they're just channels trying to no, it's the same person. I can see a pattern here. So I've got some repair videos plus a there we go. So the person's in Stripe already. Okay. So AVA's disappeared, and I think videos are going to disappear as well. So that's good. What about this Nicole one here? Let's have a look at that. So again, we've got the same video uploads of what appear to be washing machine repairs, and mine's disappeared from there, which is good. Let's play the video on this one. Okay, that's definitely mine. Nikki Taylor. Let's have a look at her video. Nikki Taylor, 5 subscribers. Again, repair videos. Let's see if my video is here. Click on her uploads, and lo and behold, there's my video. So again, cue the editing. I'm going to get rid of these 3 here. Okay, so if everything's fine, you'll have good stuff, you're caught up with everything in your matches area. Your removal requests are here. So video removed, video already removed. So it tells you what status they're up to. Page 1 3 of 3. Any messages that you may receive. And of course you've got an archive of all your videos. So you will also receive an email. You'll also receive an email saying thank you for your submission. So the email base, that's all really cool. So that's the copyright feature, guys, on the new YouTube Studio, which is fantastic. Obviously YouTube can't keep up with the billions of videos that's being uploaded, so it puts the onus on you to have a quick hunt around to see if someone's actually copying your content. So I think it's really good, and gives you some control over what people are doing, and especially if you want to share your videos, you can actually allow people to use some of your content as well. So it can work both ways. Anyway, I hope you got something for this, guys. Thumbs up, give us a comment, like, subscribe, and all that sort of hoo-ha, and yeah, see you later on. Max RPM from Australia. Bye for now.